So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So the two equations are a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, and the second one is a plus b into x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. So we have to solve for x and y. So here a and b, they are real numbers. So we have the coefficient of x, which is a minus b in the first equation. The coefficient of y is a plus b, and in the second equation we have both the coefficient of x and y is a plus b. So it's a bit different from the previous questions that we have solved, where we had proper numbers on both LHS and RHS, but still we'll solve it. So first we'll write the equations in their original form. So a minus b into x plus a plus b y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, and here we will expand it, a plus b x plus a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now here we have a plus by, and here also we have a plus by. So if we perform this operation, that is equation 2 minus equation 1, if we perform this operation, we will have this a plus by and a plus by will get cancelled. So we will have a plus b into x minus a minus b into x. This is for the left hand side. The right hand side we will have a square plus b square minus a square minus 2ab minus b square. A plus by minus a plus by, it will get cancelled when we subtract these two equations, equation 2 minus equation 1. So we have, that implies ax plus bx minus ax minus bx is equal to a square plus b square, we'll open the bracket, minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that implies ax plus bx minus ax plus bx, opening the bracket, have here a square plus b square minus a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here ax minus ax, it gets cancelled, a square minus a square, it gets cancelled. So we have, that implies 2bx is equal to 2b square plus 2ab. That implies 2b into x is equal to 2b into a plus b, taking 2b common here. So we have a plus b, 2ab plus 2b square. So 2b will get cancelled. That implies x is equal to a plus b. So we have got x is equal to a plus b. Now substituting this value of x in equation 2, we will have so equation 2 is a plus b x plus a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square. So when we substitute this in equation 2 here, we get a plus b into a plus b, which is for x, plus a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square, plus a plus b whole square plus a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square. That implies a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square minus a plus b whole square. Okay, so that implies a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square minus a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square formula. So we have a plus b y is equal to a square plus b square minus a square opening the bracket minus b square minus 2ab. So we have a square minus a square cancel, b square minus b square cancel. That implies a plus by is equal to minus 2ab, implies y is equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. So we have got the values of x and y in terms of a and b. The different arrangement of coefficients for x and y were there in the original equations. So the value of x is equal to a plus b and the value of y is equal to minus 2ab by a plus b. Okay. So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables using elimination method. So we have to solve for x and y. It is given the two equations. They are 2 into ax minus by plus a plus 4b is equal to 0. Second one, 2 into bx plus ay plus b minus 4a is equal to 0. So first we'll write the equations. So we will open the brackets, okay, and write it within the respective x and y coefficients, and ax plus by is equal to c in that format. So 2ax minus 2by, I have just opened the bracket, is equal to, taking a plus 4b to the other side, it is minus a minus 4b. ax plus by is equal to c, that format. So here a and b, they are real numbers. So this is the first equation. Then the second equation, 2bx plus 2ay is equal to 4a minus b. Taking this to the other side, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Now if you see here, the coefficient of y in the first equation is minus 2b and the second one it is plus 2a. So minus plus. So the main objective of elimination method is to eliminate one variable through any operation, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here what we'll do, we'll multiply a here in the first equation and b in the second equation to match the coefficients of y in equation 1 and 2, and then we'll add them. So what we are going to do is multiplying a into equation 1 and b into equation 2, and we'll add the two. Okay, so multiplying a on both sides and here multiplying b on both sides. Okay, so we will have the two equations two a square x minus 2 aby is equal to minus a square minus 4ab. So this is equation 3, and here it is 2b square x, multiplying b with the second equation, plus 2aby is equal to 4ab, I am writing it here, okay, plus 4ab and minus b square here. Okay, so when we add these two equations, we have, see, minus 2aby plus 2aby, they get cancelled, minus 4ab plus 4ab, that gets cancelled. So we have 2a square x plus 2b square x is equal to minus a square minus b square. Okay, that implies if we take here 2x common, 2x into a square plus b square is equal to minus 1 into a square plus b square. So here on both sides a square plus b square gets cancelled. That implies we have 2x is equal to minus 1. So that implies x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, x we have got minus 1 by 2. Now if we put this value in equation 1, that is equation 1 is equation 1 is 2ax minus 2by is equal to minus a minus 4b. So if we put x is equal to minus 1 by 2 here, we will have 2a into minus 1 by 2 minus 2by is equal to minus a minus 4b. That implies here 2 gets cancelled, so we have minus a minus 2by is equal to minus a minus 4b. So here minus a gets cancelled, that implies minus 2by is equal to minus 4b. So minus minus gets cancelled, that implies y is equal to it's not responding a bit. Okay, y is equal to 4b by 2b. Okay, so 4b by 2b, it means it is 2. So y is equal to 2. So here we have x is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 2. It is the solution of the given linear equations in two variables. Okay, so this is the thing.